Pork tacos, one of the easiest, tastiest, freshest meals that you can make. It is actually a rendition of Jamie Oliver's pork tacos, so think heaps of really fresh, beautiful flavors. So what I've done is I've popped a whole bunch of spring onion, chopped a whole bunch of spring onion, popped it in the pot over here, a little bit of oil, a whole bunch of garlic, and the major one, guys, is cumin. So I put in at least a tablespoon worth of cumin in, and then you chuck in however many tinned beans you want. So it depends on how many people. I'm serving 4 people tonight, so I'm gonna put in 2 tins of beans. Drain out half of the liquid of the beans and then pop it into your pot. So there is our spring onion, our cumin, and our garlic in the pot. I'm gonna bring it up to starting to become fragrant, and then I'm gonna add in the beans. Black beans and 4-bean mix is my favorite too. Then after it's becoming fragrant, just add in your beans. Give it a nice big stir. As you can see, there's some liquid in there still, but that liquid will cook down as the beans start to cook. So what I've prepared here is our salad. It's just a whole bunch of different lettuce. I put in a little bit of red or purple cabbage, but the main ingredient here is the apple. And all you do to dress it is squeeze a whole bunch of lime on top of it and give it a dash of soy sauce. Very easy, things that you should have or would have in the cupboard or the fridge. When it starts to get a little softer, we can mash it up and make it into refried bean style. So we've just cut up a whole bunch of pork, got smoked paprika we're adding in. This is the cheats version. You can actually marinate it in the smoked paprika and fennel beforehand, but I'm doing cheats version. And some fennel seeds, or crushed up fennel seeds. Let it cook. And there you have it. Pork cooked, homemade refried beans, delicious Christmas salad we're going to use as well, and our additional salad. There are burritos